Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a headphone or a headset microphone not working and not detecting when plugged in Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by two large icons and select sound. Select the recording tab and if you have multiple microphone connected to your PC, then you just need to select your correct microphone and select set default option. After that, you will be get this tick mark. After that, you just need to right click on it and select properties. In device usage, click on this drop down and select this to use this device enable option and go to advanced tab and click on this drop down in default format and set this to channel 16-bit of 48,000 Hz and then select apply and OK for save changes and click on OK and close stuff here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If this doesn't fix your problem, then let's move on to the second solution guys. You just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select privacy and security. On right side you just need to scroll down under the app permissions, select microphone. Make sure this option is enabled microphone access. You just need to turn on let apps access your microphone and choose which apps can access your microphone. You just need to select the app you want to access in microphone. You just need to turn it on like this. After that scroll down. Make sure let desktop apps access your microphone is turned on. After that you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution, go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. You just need to expand this audio input and outputs and you just need to right click on your headphone or headset microphone and select uninstall device. After uninstalling the device, select Action tab and select Scan for hardware changes. After doing it, just close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the final solution guys. The fourth solution consists of two steps. First step, you just need to test with another device. Plug your headphone into a different device like a phone or another computer to ensure the mic itself isn't faulty. The second step, you just need to check physical connections. Ensure your headphone plug is fully inserted into the correct audio port and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.